We're still in Ethiopia, and we have another abandoned building here.
Part 2.
This is like 3, because I accidentally turned it off myself this time.
I didn't do it. You can't blame me.
Nope.
If I find a dog, can I take it home?
No, not another one.
Oh, what was that? Oh, that was a wire, huh? Is that one pretty shot?
Let me take your camera through here too.
Sure.
Wow, this place is.
I don't want you to walk through here because you got flip-flops on.
Well, yeah, you can do it for me. Watch out, though. Don't get stupid.
Don't get stupid.
As he does.
I do. I know. That's why I say that.
Look at he's being stupid.
I'm not.
You're being stupid. Don't even walk on that. Right there tells you don't walk on that. You see, the whole thing's bending down. If you break my camera, I'll kill you. If you break your neck, I'll kill you harder. Yeah, just back up. Just it's not worth it.
I got that back picture though.
Oh, good. Be careful. Be careful. You're making me nervous. Let's go next door now.
I make you guys nervous. I make myself excited.
Well, I'm glad you get excited because I get nervous.
Living life to the fullest.
Well, that's like living life on the edge. Way on the edge. Like,
I risk it for the biscuit.
you risk it for your fams.
Oh, yeah. So I decided I want to make a tree wood right there.
Well, this one's not bad because this roof's already gone.
I don't think they like it when I risk it.
All right, I'm recording. I think this is going to be it. It's going to go out.
Oh, there's a little building beside it too.
Look at that. Oh, look at the little house back here. Look at the little house. I bet this was a store. And they used to have a date up on top, I bet. Because up on top there's that shape where they always put the year.
Ew, I didn't mean to step on that. Ew.
Oh, look. What's in that back room over there?
I'll see when I go back that way.
Cat's dead. Husband
What?
step on.
What? Oh. Where's he at? It's hard for me to see him.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I used rubber.
Huh? Oh.
A condom.
We gotta get that.
Found a condom.
So if anyone needs one, just let us know. We'll come back and get it for you. Let's see where to